You hear about the S&P 500 or the Dow Jones on the news every day, but what exactly is a market index? Let's simplify it. Think of an index as a barometer for the market. It is a mathematical way to track the performance of a specific group of stocks. The most famous index, the S&P 500, tracks 500 of the largest companies in the U.S. It represents a massive slice of the economy. Indexes help us measure how the market is performing. They also allow investors to buy a single fund that holds all those companies at once. Unlike active management, where a person picks stocks, index investing simply tries to match the market's performance, which usually results in much lower fees. Indexes reflect volatility. The market doesn't go up in a straight line, and looking at an index over decades shows the true historical trend. Legendary investor John Bogle famously said, "Don't look for the needle in the haystack, just buy the haystack." That is the core philosophy of index investing. Indexes are the foundation of modern investing. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more money basics and save this video for later.